before sharpening, you have to do this one.
Yeah.
Okay. That's any, you know.
Any single bevel knife.
Yeah, because when you use long time, keep the blade in knuckle up. If you keep that, always going to knuckle here. So finally, the blade gets in and yeah. So before sharpening, you do this one, maybe 2 minutes, then blade gets normal. Also, even when you sharpen, when you make a blade, once or 3 minutes, you have to do it. Because even now when you make a blade is then once again you stone. It doesn't touch the stone. That's why everybody thought kind of sharpening is very because so do this one gets no.
That's a natural stone, correct?
It's a natural stone. Also, don't buy natural stone.
I have a couple.
Yeah, because natural stone, very difficult to find out good. Maybe 80% is they have problem. But price is same. Yeah, because when I find out this one, I choose from the 50. Yeah, good one is only one.
You really need to know what
But,
you're looking for when you
yeah.
pick the right.
There's so many different properties in a natural stone. I tried a dozen or half a dozen, and all of them were crackers.
And the other thing is, you have one good layer, and when that layer is worn away, there's a different layer below that is started from a different period in the history of the stone.
Yeah.
And that may be totally different.
Even though it's from the same mine.
It has nothing to do. This is sedimented tea ground. So what happens is every millimeter there is so many years.
Whatever died that century or two. Or
So there might be a little seashell died there. And that thing is in there as a big lump.
So even this stone, when I buy this one, $4,000.
What did you say?
$4,000.
What did you say?
Name is Nakayama. Nakayama is a famous stone.
What grit?
20,000, no, nobody knows.
So this is ultimate finishing stone.
Because grit is not so important. When you use it, it's good. Yeah.
We see if that's what we want.
Yeah. Mine only cost me $250. It must have been crap. I like it. Not anymore.
That's microbevel now.
Yeah. Too long.
That's what my wife says.
Hey, now.
When
When?
you buy this one? Yeah.
A year and a half ago? I don't use it very much.
Didn't you at one time say you were going to buy another one and never use it?
That was the Tier 2.
So very complete.
Very nice stuff. You look now? Oh, yeah. Thank you very much.
Yeah, that's before I started making a microbevel on the knife. It was like
This one is Hideriyama, good for Western style knife. And this is Nakayama, and good for this knife. And this one is Karas and Chigumori, we use it for makeup.